Any craftsman or manufacturer knows to have a quality product, quality tools are essential. Precision cutting tools have made manufacturing products faster and easier than ever before. To learn more, we visited Jasper, Indiana to meet with Peak Toolworks. Led by a talented team of certified tooling experts, Peak Toolworks is known for innovation, selection, service, and dedication.
Peak Toolworks is the largest custom manufacturer of diamond and carbide cutting tools in North America. What makes Peak Toolworks unique is absolutely the people. So first of all, we made all of our employees owners of the business. So as our company continues to grow and prosper, our employees grow and prosper with us. And as the value grows, they see that real value grow for them and their families. That then translates to a very unique dynamic around customer service. Our employees have skin in the game. They know our customers are the most important part of our business, and they really engage with our customers and the satisfaction of our customers.
With award-winning tailored tool design and advanced CNC technology, Peak Toolworks offers a variety of products and services.
Peak Toolworks uses advanced CNC technology to machine and grind our cutting tools, supported by an award-winning design team across North America. Peak Toolworks provides carbide and diamond cutting tools such as saw blades, router bits, end mills, sidewinders, cutter heads, hoggers, and many more that you can find on our website for the metal and woodworking industries. When customers contact Peak Toolworks for a unique challenge, our design team will work very closely with them on a solution. Sometimes that solution is very customized to their specific needs, and then we support that with ongoing service with our most strategically placed service centers across North America.
But what makes Peak Toolworks really stand out are their people and dedicated customer service.
Peak Toolworks has been in business for 80 years, and we have some employees that have been here for 40 of those 80 years, and of course we've got brand new employees. So that knowledge has been passed down for many years, many generations. What that translates to is a level of expertise and knowledge in solving customers' problems that you don't find in many businesses like ours. What makes any company one of the world's greatest is that you're focused on the right performance metrics. At Peak Toolworks, everything we do is connected to two key things. One is employee engagement, the other is customer satisfaction. And that's what makes us one of the world's greatest.
Always there for their customers with passion, innovation, partnership, and dedication, Peak Toolworks is one of the world's greatest.